Number 13, we're going to use the derivative to find the derivative of ax squared plus bx plus c. And then once we find the derivative, we're going to use that to find the derivative of the given function in b. And then we're going to evaluate the slope of that function at 2. So we're going to be looking at the limit as h goes to 0. And tells us a, b, and c are constants. So we're looking at a x plus h squared plus b x plus h plus c minus a x squared plus bx plus c and then we're going to be all divided by h. Alright, so doing some algebra foiling and distributing, we would end up with a x squared, and then we would multiply 2xh, so 2axh, so plus 2axh. And again, the a is a number, a constant, so that this is the number part. And then it'll be plus a times h squared, a times h squared. And then plus bx plus bh plus c, distribute the negative, so minus ax squared minus bx minus c all over h. And then we'll cancel out like terms, so the ax squared, the bx, positive and negative, and the c. That'll leave us with two axh plus ah squared plus bh, and then that is it, all over h. We can factor out an h, so let's kind of look over. We can pull out an h, and that'll leave us with 2ax plus ah plus b, and then this is all over h, so you'll factor out the h, and then at this point we can do direct substitution, plugging in a 0, which will get rid of this term, and so our derivative will be equal to 2ax plus b. Alright, so now we want to find f prime of x, where we're looking at this function. So since we've already found the derivative, all we have to do is say, okay, f of x is equal to negative 2x squared minus 9x plus 1. Plug in the a value, so we're looking at 2 times a negative 2 for a. And then we have our x, and then our b value, plugging in a negative 9. And that will give us negative 4x minus 9 will be our derivative of f of x. Kind of running out of room there. And then finally we're going to find and evaluate that at f of 2. F prime of 2. -8 minus 9, -17.